periodically, the Sparger will need to be cleaned to remove any contamination from regular sample analysis and keep the analyzer running at peak performance. For ease, it is recommended that the Sparger be cleaned whilst conducting analyzer pinch tubing replacement. This video will show the step-by-step process needed to correctly clean the Sparger. Sparger cleaning is typically recommended during analyzer pinch tubing replacement and should take 5 minutes to complete. To perform Sparger cleaning, you will need the following: a number 1 Phillips head screwdriver and a number 2 Phillips head screwdriver. Anytime we're performing maintenance on an InnovOx, we should always take safety precautions. That means wearing safety glasses, chemical-resistant gloves, and of course, a lab coat. Before performing maintenance on the analyzer, remove the fluidics cover. Locate the 6-way manifold and use a number 1 Phillips head screwdriver to remove the mounting bolt by turning it anti-clockwise. Gently pull the 6-way manifold forward to remove the pinch tubing from V5SH. Disconnect the V5SH pinch valve tubing from the 6-way manifold. Remove the V5SH pinch tubing by disconnecting it from the top of the Sparger. Disconnect the vent line from the upper left barb of the Sparger. Disconnect the V3R pinch valve tubing from the lower right barb of the Sparger. Remove the Sparge gas line from the bottom left side of the Sparger by turning the thumb screw anti-clockwise. Using a number 2 Phillips head screwdriver, remove the 4 Sparger mounting bolts by turning them anti-clockwise. To remove the Sparger assembly, carefully pull it forward to expose the mixer power cable and unclip the plastic connector. Carefully pull and twist both ends of the Sparger to separate the two halves. Remove the magnetic mixing bar from the lower half of the Sparger body. Rinse both sections of the Sparger to remove any contamination. If solids or oil are present in the Sparger, a small test tube brush is recommended to help remove this type of contamination. To reassemble the Sparger, place the magnetic mixer bar into the bottom half of the Sparger. Carefully rotate and push the upper half of the Sparger onto the lower section, making sure not to damage the O-rings. Align the flat section of the Sparger body to ensure proper installation. To check for proper alignment, verify the location of the two barbs, one on the bottom right and the other on the upper left. To reinstall the Sparger, place one of the aluminum mounting brackets on top of the Sparger, then install a new section of pinch tubing onto the top barb. Reconnect the mixer power cable. Push the mixer power cable back into the slot in the sample handling module chassis. Place the remaining aluminum mounting bracket on the bottom of the Sparger assembly. Then, using a number 2 Phillips head screwdriver, loosely tighten all 4 mounting bolts by turning them clockwise. Make sure that the Sparger body is flush to the sample handling module chassis and the mixer is properly seated in the cutout. Reconnect the Sparge gas line to the bottom left side of the Sparger by turning the thumb screw clockwise. Reconnect the V3R pinch valve tubing to the lower right barb of the Sparger. To aid in pinch tubing installation, open V5SH. Connect the top of the V5SH pinch tubing to the bottom barb of the 6-way manifold.
Thread the pinch tubing through V5SH. Secure the 6-way manifold with the mounting bolt by turning it clockwise using a number 1 Phillips head screwdriver. The V5SH pinch tubing should remain straight. Adjust the 6-way manifold position if necessary. Close V5SH. Reconnect the vent tubing to the upper left barb of the Sparger. Recheck the installation position of the Sparger to ensure it is flush against the sample handling module chassis, then fully tighten the 4 mounting screws by turning them clockwise using a number 2 Phillips head screwdriver. Reinstall the fluidics cover. Sparger cleaning is now complete and the system is ready for analysis.